Where should I enter the stock? Where should I exit the stock? Where should I put a stop loss? This is one of the major question a lot of you have. Hi, this is Sri Harsha from Crazy Money with Sri. And if you want to get answers for your questions, stay tuned till the end of the video and you will get a lot of answers. So let's get started. Where should you buy? Where should you sell? So stay tuned, guys. So let me start you with the presentation about where should you buy and where should you sell. So to understand this concept, you need to understand something called as the demand and supply, because the entire stock market is all about the demand and supply. Now, where will you have a demand? Where will you have a supply? That is very, very important. So let's understand the very fundamental concept, which all of you might have heard is about the support and resistance. Where should you buy this and where should you sell? For that, people say you buy at the support and you sell at the resistance. But what is this support? What is this resistance? Where do I find them? Correct? So let me actually answer you these questions today in this video. What is this support? Support is more of a place where there's a lot of demand. People are more interested to buy, and there is a lot of bounce which is going to happen in that particular price. There is more buying interest which is going to happen. To give you an example, let us take an example that this is a floor. As you can see in this video, there's a floor which is there, and you take a ball and leave that ball on the ground. Now, once it hits the ground, what happens? It is going to bounce back, right? It is going to bounce back. That's exactly what happens in a support. Wherever the support is going to be there, there is a bounce back. There is, you can also think about this, that there are others who are also there and they are going to support you and they are going to take the price higher. More the people are there, more stronger that support is. So what happens is more lines are there, sorry, more people are stuck at that particular area, or more and more people want to buy at that price, then actually there is all the possibility that the price can go higher from there. So that is a place where support is there. Now let's look at the resistance part. The same case in case of a resistance is of like a roof. Now in a roof, what happens is, take the same example of a ball, throw this ball to the roof. What happens once it touches the roof? It is going to fall back. Now exactly the same thing is going to happen when it comes to a resistance. Resistance is a place where oh, resistance is a place where the price are going to fall from that particular level. So this is, and also be considered like you are trying to move forward, somebody is pulling you back, so that is a resistance, right? So that is how actually a resistance is going to happen. Wherever you touch that place, there is going to be, see, this is mainly an area where there is a lot of profit booking which is going to happen. And support is a place where there is more of long positions which are going to happen. Now you need to understand what is the long positions. Long positions are where more and more buying is happening, and when there is a lot of buying happening, the prices keeps increasing because the demand also increases and the price also increases. Let's look at this support resistance on the chart. Look at all these places wherever I have actually marked a up arrow. Now these are all the places wherever the price has come, it has actually bounced back. Price comes there and bounce back. Price comes there, bounce back. Price comes there, bounce back. The same thing if you look at the resistance, wherever the price comes at that location, it falls down. Price comes, falls down. Price comes, fall down. I hope you have got one of your queries answered. I know even this is not sufficient for you, because support and resistance are not going to work the same way as you are actually expecting it to work. Because if you start, the textbook says buy at support, sell at resistance. But my dear friends, if you go and buy at supports and the support gets broken, then you are going to actually get into bigger losses. So it's not the same way. So what is very important is, whenever the support, the ideal place for you to buy is whenever that support is broken. After that, the price starts actually going up above that particular support price, that is a place where you need to take an entry. And the same place is where resistance, the price goes above that, breaks it. Majority of the cases, it will be a false breakouts. And after that, the price starts coming below that particular resistance. That is a place where you need to sell. So I hope I have actually answered your questions, but the support and resistance, this is not the only concept. There are much deeper level concepts which are there with the support and resistances. I'll actually come with more videos to explain you more on that. Guys, if you are liking this information which I'm sharing with you in this video, go ahead, like this video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that you'll get all the latest notifications. This is Sri Harsha. I'm a stock market trader, investor, and a mentor and a coach. I have been doing this from the last 15 plus years. I'm also writing a book called Option Expiry Secrets. I've been in sales and marketing and trading for almost more than 20 plus years. I've trained more than 5,000 plus people all across India. So you can go and actually follow me on all my other social media accounts. And if you are very much keen on trading, then I have my 5 day signature program, which is called the Pro Trading System. How can you trade like a pro in 5 days without losing your capital or without staring the computer? So even if you're a complete newbie, you can do this entire thing for 5 days is just 499 rupees. And if you're still not actually skeptical on that, go ahead and join this. And the first day program is going to be absolutely free. I'm going to share the link in the description and you can go and join this program. First day trial, you can see that. And if you are convinced about that, you can go ahead and take this program. If you are liking this, guys, go and share with all your friends so that they also get benefited. More you actually going to help me to share this and spread this. I'm going to do more such videos. I'll give you a lot more knowledgeable things which are going to happen, which can actually really help you out. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great and prosperous day. Bye bye. See you. Good night.